before starting the video, if you can, please print out the PDF file on the description below so you can work with me. Significant figures. There are 5 rules that you must know. I am going to go through all of them and give examples of each rule at the end, and you can try and do a few questions, and hopefully you can remember all the rules in significant figures. Rule number 1. All non-zero digits are significant. So for example, 3, 4, 7, and 2. So they're all significant. So therefore, 1, 2, 3, 4. So we have 4 significant figures. This one here. So because they're all non-zero digits, so they're all significant. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So therefore, we have 6 significant figures. 63. 2, right? So we have 1 here and 2. They both are non-zero digits, so which is 2 significant figures. So rule number 1, quite simple. Rule number 2. If first and last digits are significant, all the digits in between are also significant. Example. So we know that 1 and 2 are non-zero digits, so they're significant. So because we count the first digit and the last digit, so anything sandwiched between must be significant as well. So we count this 1, 2, so therefore the number in between also counts. So 3, 4. So therefore we have 4 significant figures. Second example. So we count first and we count the last one. So any numbers that in between must be counted as well. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So we have 5 significant figures. So this one here, we count this number 6 is significant and number 3 as well. So because we count the first and the last digit, so any digit that in between also significant as well. So we have 2 already, 3, 4, 5. So again, we have 5 significant figures. Rule number 3. In a whole number, the zeros at the end of the number are not significant. So 120. So because 0 is at the end of a whole number. So this one, 0 doesn't count. So we only count 1 and 2. So therefore, we have 2 significant figures. Second example. So because of 0 at the end of whole number, so these 2 0 is not counted, okay? So we only have 1, 2, 3. So we only have 3 significant figures. 60,000. So because again 0 at the end of whole number is not significant. So therefore we only count the digit 6. So therefore only 1 significant figure. Zeros at the end of a decimal numbers are significant. So for example, 1.200. So because of this 0 at the end of a decimal number, so therefore this is significant. So that means we have 1, 2, 3, 4. We have 4 significant figures. Now 4.00. Because zeros at the end of a decimal number are significant. So therefore we count this, and this as well. So we have 3 significant figures. Last example. Again, remember 0 at the end of decimal number. So it counts as significant. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4. So we have 4 significant figures. Last rule. 0 in front of non-zero digits are not significant. For example, 034. So in fact, 034 is 34. That's all. So 0 in front is not significant. So we only have 2 significant figures. So remember, 0 in front of non-zero digits are not significant. So we only have 3, 2, 5. So 3 significant figures. Last example. So this 30, it doesn't count. So therefore, we only count 5 and 4. So 2 significant figures. The table is different type of examples that cover all the rules in significant figures. You can use this for your future reference. Please stop the video and try this one yourself to see if you remember all the rules that I just covered. First one. Now, all non-zero digits are significant. So therefore, we count 1, 2, 3, 4. So all of them are significant. So which is 4 significant figures. Second one, same rule. So all non-zero digits are significant. So 1, 2, 3. 1, 5, 9, they are non-zero digits. So therefore, they're all significant. So we have 3 significant figures. Now, 59,000. So the rule for this is in a whole number, non-zero digits at the end are not significant. So this 30 doesn't count. So we only count 4, 5, and 9. So therefore, we have 2 significant figures. Next one, 0.59. So remember, 0 in front of a non-zero digit are not significant. So therefore, the only significant digits is 5 and 9. So therefore, we have only 2 significant figures in this case. 20,009. So the rule for this one here is because of 2 and 9 are non-zero digits. So therefore, any digit that's sandwiched between must be significant as well. So therefore, we count 2 and 9 already 2, 3, 4, 5. So we have 5 significant figures. 0.0108. So 0 in front of non-zero digit are not significant. So this means we don't count that 0. And because of we count the first and the last digit, so therefore any digit in between must be significant as well. So therefore 0, this 0 here is significant. So therefore we have 3 significant figures. 1.900. Now, in a decimal number, so 0 at the end are significant. So therefore, these 2 are significant. So we count 2 and we count 9 as well, and then 1. So 1, 2, 3, 4. So we have 4 significant figures. Last one. Because we count the first and the last digit, so therefore any digit that in between also count as well. So 2, 3, 4, 5. So therefore we have 5 significant figures. Thank you so much for watching my video.